Hello and welcome to Growth Learners YouTube channel. This is the first video in the Meta Ads Mastery series, or you can also call it as Facebook Ads Mastery series. In this series, we learn every concept related to running ads on Meta. Even if you are a beginner, you will learn how you can run ads on different Meta properties like Facebook and Instagram and grow your business successfully. But before we do that, it is very important to understand why you should run ads on Meta, right? What is the importance of running ads on Meta? Because there are multiple different platforms where you can allocate your budgets. You have Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram, but you have Google as well, right? So there is Google search. You can spend money on YouTube ads, plus multiple other ad formats. And then other than Google and Meta, there are multiple other platforms where you can spend your ad budgets. So it is very important to understand why we should advertise on Meta. And here I'm not saying that we should allocate 100% of our ad budgets on Meta, but depending on our business requirements, we should allocate either some budget to Meta, or if it completely meets your requirements, then you can allocate 100% budgets to Meta as well. So in this video, let's cover and understand why we should advertise on Meta. Let's get started. So although there are multiple reasons for running ads on Meta, in this video, I have listed 7 key reasons which can give you a very clear understanding of the importance of running ads on Meta. So the first reason is reach. Across the world, more than 3 billion people are active on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and other Meta technologies. And hence, you will definitely find your existing and your potential customers on Meta. So it's like more than 30% of the world's population is available on these platforms. And you are already aware, right? How much time do we spend on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp on a daily basis, right? And that's why it's a great platform to not only retarget your existing customers, but also find new customers for your business. Let me show you some data as well. The source of this chart is datareportal.com. You can go and check the website as well. So as you can see here, this is the data of Facebook's monthly active users and how they are growing quarter on quarter. This data was last updated in Q1 2023. And as you can see here, around 2.989 billion people are on Facebook on a monthly level. And these are active users. These are not the people who have just made an account on Facebook and then not returning there. These are active users, right? And this very clearly shows the importance of running ads on this platform. So this is reason number 1, that you will definitely find your audience on Facebook or Instagram. The second reason is that the way the Meta ads ecosystem is created, they have multiple ad formats and multiple campaign objectives which are tailored to your specific business goals. So you can run ads for different objectives. For example, if you have posted something on your Facebook page or Instagram page and you want more likes on your post, then you can run ads for that objective as well. If you want to send more traffic on your website, that is also available. If you want to generate more leads for your business, which then you can contact and convert and make them a buyer, that objective is also available. And final sales objective is also available. If you want to run ads which will, generate sales directly for you on your website, then that is also possible. So if you can see on the right side here, this is a snapshot of the different campaign objectives that are available in Meta ads ecosystem. And now if you are a beginner and don't understand this screenshot of the different campaign objectives, no need to worry. I will be covering everything in detail in upcoming videos. But right now the idea is just to show you the features available in Meta ads. So if you see this image, when you start running ads on Meta, you have to choose a campaign objective. So there are 6 different objectives available: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. So you will choose the awareness objective when you want to show your ads to as many people as possible. So the idea is to show your ads to a wider audience, right? And you will select traffic objective when you want to send more and more people on your website or on your app. Then engagement objective is to get more likes, comments, shares on your post. Leads is to generate leads for your business. So people will share their details and then you or your sales team can reach out to these people and answer their queries, and eventually they might become a buyer. So this lead objective is very good for offline businesses as well, right? Because the purchase eventually will happen in store. 5th is app promotion, and 6th objective is sales. So sales is you're selling something online itself on your website itself, and you can optimize your campaign for sales goal. So this was reason number 2 to run ads on Meta. Moving to reason number 3, the starting cost for running ads on Meta is very low. You can start running ads with a budget of as low as $1 per day, which is amazing, right? If you are a beginner, if you are a freelancer, if you have just started your small business, then with a budget of as low as $1 per day, or if I have to convert it into Indian rupees, 80 rupees per day, you can run your ads. So it's not like you need a lot of budget and a lot of money to start running ads on Meta. And even with low budgets, you can get good results because the cost per lead and cost of acquisition in Meta is not very high. As you learn more about how to optimize your ads and how to improve the efficiency of your ads, you will see that even with lower budgets, you will get very good results. So here I'm not saying that with $1 per day itself, you will get very good results. But the point is you can start with $1 per day and see some results and then eventually increase your budgets. Now moving to reason number 4. This is basically you have multiple placement options available when you run ads on Meta. What it means is you can show your ads on Instagram feed, Instagram reels, stories, Facebook videos, Facebook feeds, Facebook stories, etc. There are multiple options. And as you can see on this screenshot on the right side, once you go to your ads manager account and you set up your ads, you will see all these options and many more additional options. Let me just show you the complete placement options as well. So here we are in our ads manager account. Like I said, we are just starting this series, and if you don't understand this, no need to worry about that. I'll cover everything in detail in further videos. But for now, I just want to give you some idea of the features available. When I'm setting up my campaign, there is one option here which is called placements. So what this means is I can choose the places where I want to show my ad. So these are the different platforms available in Meta: Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. And these are the different placement options available here. As you can see here, Facebook feed, Facebook profile feed, Instagram feed, Facebook marketplace, Facebook video feeds. And when I'm hovering on each of the option, as you can see on the right side, this image, that it is showing how the ad will appear in that specific placement option. Then stories and reels. So Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Messenger stories, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, and many more. In-stream ads for videos and reels, search results, messages, apps and sites. So these are the multiple placement options available for you. And another good thing is you can control the placements on which you want to show your ads. Okay. So if I don't want to show my ads on, say, a Facebook feed, I can uncheck this option. Again, if I don't want to show my ads on Instagram Explore, I can uncheck this option. So for example, if you want to show your ads only on Instagram stories and Instagram reels, so uncheck all other options and select only these two options, right? So this is another very important feature of Meta ads. So I hope it's clear. Now let's move to the next step. The next important reason is Meta has advanced targeting capabilities which help you to find and identify the right audience to show your ads. This is very, very important because when you're running ads and spending your money on these ads, the ads should be delivered to those people who are the right audience for your business. For example, if you run a MBA entrance training center, ideally you would like to show your ads to people who are in that right age profile. So for example, mostly you will target people who are in the 20 to 30 age group, right? Because this is the age group where most of the people who are planning to do an MBA will be available, right? Then if you also run a classroom center, then you will want to show your ads in only the cities where your classrooms are available, right? You don't want to show your ads to the entire country or the entire state. And then also you will want to target those people who are interested in MBA entrance. So these are the capabilities which are available in Meta ads through which you can find your audience. So as I have written here, find your target audience with advanced options like location. So you can target your ads based on selecting country, city, even a locality within a city, or even at a pin code level. Okay, so this is what you can do. You can select pin codes and target people 1 kilometer around that pin code or 5 kilometer around that pin code or even more. Another feature that is available is age and gender, right? So you can select the age and gender of your target audience. You can also target custom audience. Custom audience, this is basically like the first party data of your customers. So if you already have the details of your customers or your potential customers, like their name, email, mobile number, then you will upload that data on Meta and you can start showing your ads to these audiences. One more option is lookalike audience. So when you create this custom audience, then you can create a lookalike of that audience as well. So you've given some data to Meta and then you can ask it to find people who are similar to this kind of audience. So lookalike audience, what it does is it increases the overall size of your audience. For example, if you have uploaded a data of 1000 custom audience, which is your first party data, now you can ask Meta to create a lookalike audience of these 1000 people and find similar people in its ecosystem. So once you create lookalike audience, this 1000 might go up to 1 million as well. And this will help you to increase the reach of your target audience. The last option that I have listed here is interests and behavior. So you can target people based on their interests and behavior as well. Basically, what kind of content they are watching when they are on Meta and Instagram, what kind of pages they are following, etc. As you can see on the right side, this is a screenshot when we create audience targeting options in Meta. So there is an option of location, age, gender, advanced detailed targeting like demographics, interests or behaviors. Let me just show this to you as well. So we are again back to our ads manager account, and this is the section called audience where you will do the specific targeting. So here you can see custom audiences, right? So you can search existing audiences. So this is the custom audience option, right? So I have created multiple custom audiences here, which are people like who have filled my lead forms earlier, who have visited my website, who have spent more time on my website. If you can see this option, it is Insta engagers. So people who have engaged with my Instagram account, right? So this is the custom audience. This is the first party data. Then as we discussed, you can also create lookalike audience from this custom audience, right? So these are the different lookalike audiences which I have created. You can also select your location. For me, the by default location selected is India, but I can edit it and I can add here any country, any city, or even a pin code. So for example, I also want to select United States here and I want to remove India. So you can do that. Then you can select any city as well. So you can select Chicago, select this. So this city is selected here. And as I had mentioned, you can also target at a pin code level. So I'll remove this city and I can enter a pin code. So this pin code is from Bangalore. I'll select this. Right? So this is as micro as you can go, right? I am selecting a very specific pin code here. So this is very good for local businesses or small businesses. So these are the different options available. Then when you go down, you can select age as well. So the default age that is selected is 18 to 65, but you can make the changes here based on your business requirements. Then next is the gender option. So you can either target all genders or target only men or women. And then this is a very interesting option that you can target people based on their demographics, interests or behaviors, right? So let me show you this option. Click on browse and these are the different options available here. So let's see demographics. These are the options in demographics. You can target people based on their education level, fields of study, undergrad years, etc., their financial status, right? So this income option is not available in every country, but it is available in few countries. So you can check that later. Life events, like people having their anniversary within next 30 days, next 31 to 60 days. And then there is option of date of birth as well, upcoming birthday and multiple other options. We'll go into everything in detail, but right now the idea was just to show you the different capabilities that are available in Meta ads. This is the interest option. So people interested in business and industry, entertainment, family and relationships, fitness, food and drink, etc. Right? So this was the interest option, and then behaviors. So consumer classification, their digital activities, their purchase behavior, right? So if you select this option, it shows engaged shoppers. So people who do a lot of shopping online. So these are the different options available. Like I said, we'll go into everything in detail in further videos, but here the idea is just to show you the power of Meta ads. Let's move to the next reason now. So the next reason is you get a lot of engaging ad creative options when you run ads on Meta. As you can see in this screenshot, you can run your ads on Instagram stories. So this is a story format and you can show a video here, or you can show a carousel, which is a slideshow of multiple images here. Similarly, Instagram Reels, Instagram feed and Facebook feed and multiple other options. See how beautifully the ad is appearing in Instagram stories and Reels, right? It is covering your entire screen and it is very, very engaging. So you can be very creative and create some very interesting ad options to capture the attention of your users. Now, the next important reason why you should run ads on Meta is that you can analyze your ads performance in detail. So there are very good features available for reporting and insight generation, using which you can do in-depth analysis to understand and optimize your campaign performance. So here in this screenshot, I have shown you one example. You can do a performance overview of your ads. So this is one of my ad campaigns, and I can see here that from this ad campaign, I got 330 leads. My cost for each lead was only 8.64 Indian rupees. Okay. And the total amount that I have spent is 2,852 rupees. Let's go to our ads manager and see a little bit more. So now we are in our ads manager account. I have multiple campaigns running currently. If I want to analyze the performance of this ad, I'll select this and I'll click on view charts. And this is what we were seeing in that screenshot. So this is that data. But if you move down, you can also see your performance at a demographics level. So out of those 330 leads that I have received, what is the age and gender distribution? So these are men and women. 73% are men. That is 240 leads are from men and 90 leads are from women. And these are the different age groups. 88 leads that I received were men in 18 to 24 age group and 23 women in 18 to 24 age group. Likewise, if I move here, I had 48 men in 35 to 44 age group and 20 women in 35 to 44 age group. So based on this, now I know how my ad has performed and whether I am getting the right audience for my product. And after demographics, you can also go to platform. So I can see which platform is giving me more results, either Facebook or Instagram. And if one of these is giving me better results, I can select my placements accordingly, right? I can move my entire budget to Instagram if it is working well rather than targeting Facebook as well. Now, this is just a very small snapshot of how much analysis you can do in meta ads. You can go in much more detail. You can understand the performance of each creative, the click-through rate. If it's a video, how much duration people are watching your videos. There are multiple more options. You will understand everything in detail in further videos. But again, the idea was to show you what is possible. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope I've been able to explain how important meta ads are for the success of your business. I hope you like this video. If yes, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.